The Origins of Kanban.
Kanban started in the late 1940s at Toyota as a method to increase manufacturing efficiency. The name means signboard in Japanese. With simple visual cues, such as cards and boards, teams could easily track work progress, identify bottlenecks, and enforce a smooth production flow. This approach laid the groundwork for Kanban's later adaptation across different industries.
From factory floors to office desks.
Kanban's ideas quickly moved beyond car factories. By the early 2000s, knowledge workers, like software developers and project managers, adopted Kanban boards to visualize and manage their tasks. The basic framework involves columns for stages of work, cards for tasks, and an emphasis on limiting what's in progress. This visual approach made collaboration and transparency much simpler.
How Kanban boards work.
A classic Kanban board is divided into columns, typically labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. Each task is written on a card and moved across columns as work progresses. This format makes it easy for teams to see priorities, track status, and spot holdups. Limiting the number of tasks in each column helps avoid overload and keeps work moving efficiently.
Widespread adoption in the modern workplace.
Kanban boards are used today in countless fields, from tech companies to marketing teams and educational settings. Digital Kanban tools like Trello and Jira allow teams to collaborate remotely while maintaining visibility. Managers use them for sprint planning, workflow optimization, and team communication. The straightforward visual design is a major reason for their broad appeal.
Why Kanban boards improve productivity.
Kanban boards help teams focus on the most important work, limit multitasking, and surface problems early. By showing tasks and progress at a glance, they make organization easier and meetings more efficient. The flexibility to adapt columns and rules lets any team shape Kanban to their needs. This adaptability and simplicity drive continuous improvement in the modern workplace.